Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. I'm at one of my favourite timber suppliers, particularly around exotic woods. At a place called Yandles, and I thought I'd just do a little video around that, about just what it's like and the types of things that you can discover around if you're looking for really nice pieces of timber. So let's go and check it out and let's see how we get on. So here I am in the car park, just where we go in. There's a lovely cafe and shop over there. There's even an arts and crafts place that my wife loves. Lots of stuff in there. We've been here many times. But it's originally a timber mill, timber yard, and sawing up all sorts of trees and getting big, or as in America, lumber. So it's a big place, and there you can see, I'm looking into the sun. I don't know if you can see that. This is where it is. There's gifts, and there's a lovely breakfast over there, which I might go and indulge myself in, who knows. So, but where we're going down here is we're going to the shop entrance, and that's where all the timber is. So we're going to go in the shop entrance. We are going to see how we go. So we're coming into, there's lots and lots of wood turning stuff in here, which I personally don't do, but you can see an amazing array of wood turning material, blocks and blanks for wood turning, and for carving as well. We've got some basswood, amazing purple heart there, I know that one. Pear, there we go, lots and lots of blocks. And then we're coming through to more blocks. Amazing stuff here. Look at this. I've used panga, some oak, that I don't know, Mozambique. Newtonia, yeah, nope. Incredible stuff. Wild mango, milk pear. Well, there's a name. You don't want that, do you? I love these bins because look, any plaque, 99 pence. So you can grab anything out of there, 99 pence. So amazing, you can find some amazing little finds in here. You've got all sorts of offcuts under a fiver. Just bits and pieces you could use, blocks. There we go. We have some teak. African rosewood, look at that, gorgeous. Big piece of panga. Some lovely bits of walnut. 364 pound for that. 364 pound of walnut. So we could do some amazing stuff in that, couldn't you? You're gorgeous. And this is really hard, this panga, but the figuring on it is incredible. An enormous amount of ash. Just scanning this room. An enormous amount of oak here. Lots and lots of oak. Everything individually priced, so you know what you're getting. Amazing place. Lots and lots of smaller bits. We've got some, I can see some purple heart over there. More oak. Loads of oak. Beech. Red oak. So some amazing zebra wood. Look at the figuring on that, incredible. Loads of it. Don't know what that is. Boudineer. And we move round. Some walnut over there. We've got some nice little bits of walnut here. 23.38 for that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at the figuring on that. Incredible. Incredible. Zebra wood, zebrano. So I've bought a couple of bits of purple heart for a little project that will be coming soon. Just a couple of bits. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So much, you could spend a fortune in there. And I do just pick up something a little bit special every time I come here. It's that sort of place. So, back in the workshop, back from my little trip up to Yandles. It's about, how long does it take me? It's about 50 minutes drive. It's up near Yeovil. So, I'm right down by the sea. Yeah, as you probably know, I'm right down between Dorchester and Weymouth. So I'm right down here on the south coast. So I've gone north. I've gone up north. Up north. You people up north are going, what is he talking about? He's gone up north. I've gone up north. Oh, it was cold up there, up in the north, up at Yeovil. It was a lot colder. Cool, you can really notice the difference. Hilarious, hilarious. Anyway, up north. What a load of rubbish that is. Yes, I've got me, here we go. We've got some purple heart here. So it's going to go towards the project. I've got some nice walnut down here. Some nice walnut and a couple of bits. And I've got some sweet chestnut. Ooh, yeah. That's quite a big bit there. It's down in the corner. It's a bit big. You might be able to see it. Here, get my finger going. That it helps if I'm in frame as well. There, that is some sweet chestnut. If you can zoom in, I'm not going to drag it out in a minute. So we've got a nice little project that I'm gonna answers on a postcard. What am I going to do with all of this? Anyway, where am I going? Oh, I'm just going off on one now, aren't I? Yes, Yandles. It was a great little trip. Love going up there. Back to the project, Mark. Focus. Yeah, back to it. And Yandles, lovely place. I didn't get a breakfast. I got on and go. I actually tied it in with going on a measure as well. So I went to see a prospective customer who wasn't far from there as well. So it tied it in quite nicely, really. And as I was just so close, well, I wanted something and I could just go around there. So I thought I'd just show you around and show you Yandles. It's one of many places. If you have something like that, maybe you can search for things like that where you live. I have another amazing place, Wareham Wood Shop, as well, that I go to a lot for all sorts of lovely timber. So they're not far from me. Wareham would be the place. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. It's really, really appreciated. If you're new to the channel, please click the like button. In fact, if you're not new to the channel, it's really important that you click the like button. If you're not new, if you're a regular watcher of me, please always click the like button, because it shows YouTube that you like this. Then YouTube promote it more because there's more likes. So if you watch something, whatever you watch, it's just good courtesy to give the thumbs up to that you've clicked and watched, because it really it helps the channel. It just helps the people that that are doing this content. So thank you. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It's really appreciated. So that's all there is to say on this one. Hopefully you enjoy my little tour of Yandles and a walk around the wood shop. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care, everybody. Bye.